Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we will discuss a very common issue that occur when running Hadoop streaming job, especially when using a custom mapper and reducer script. Our topic is fixing common Hadoop streaming error, connection refused and runtime exception in mapper and reducer. And by the end of this video, you will understand why these errors occur and how to resolve them step by step. So let's dive in. The first error we will talk about is the connection refused error. Let's take a look at an example. Here you can see in the screenshot I am running a Hadoop streaming command. When I run this command, I encounter the following error: connection refused. So this happens because the Hadoop job is trying to connect to the resource manager or node manager, but it can't establish a connection. This issue usually occurs when one or more Hadoop services are not running, so causing the job to fail. The solution to this issue is quite straightforward. You need to ensure that all the required Hadoop services are up and running. First, check the status of your Hadoop services. If you are using the Hadoop distributed setup, you can use the command jps. This will list all the running Hadoop processes such as the name node, data node, resource manager, and node manager. If any service is not running, start it manually. For example, start -dfs.sh or start -yarn.sh. Once all the services are up and rerun the command, and the job should execute successfully. But here you can see when I start the service manually, as shown in the screenshot, the connection refused error is resolved. However, now we encounter another error. This error addresses the runtime exception in the mapper or reducer script. When you run the Hadoop streaming command, it starts the mapper and reducer script. However, if there is an issue with these scripts, such as a missing file, incorrect logic, or syntax error, the job will fail with an error message like this. These errors generally indicate that the Hadoop was unable to execute your mapper or reducer script correctly. It's often caused by incorrect path to the mapper or a reducer script or an error within the script themselves. So to resolve this issue, verify the path. Ensure that the path to the mapper and reducer script are correct. Provide the full path to the script to avoid any ambiguity. For example, -mapper and the full path desktop/hadoop projects/mapper.py, and for reducer desktop/hadoop projects/reducer.py. Then open the mapper and reducer script and verify that they are error free. For instance, ensure the script has the correct Python. Check for syntax error or missing dependencies. Test locally. Run the script locally with an example input file to verify they produce the expected output before running them in Hadoop. Once these steps are completed, rerun the Hadoop streaming command and the error should now be resolved and your job will execute successfully. So that's it for today. We have seen two common Hadoop streaming error: connection refused and runtime exception in mapper and reducer. So we first resolve the connection refused error by ensuring that all the Hadoop services are up and running. Then we tackle the runtime exception by verifying the path and the logic in the mapper and reducer script. I hope this video helped you understand how to debug and fix the issue step by step. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.